In front of me is a Reno11 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Begin by launching your keyboard. When you're ready, use this color palette at the top of it to access themes. Now click on the best one for you. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher and hit apply. If you want to customize it instead, go back to the same settings, but this time use this plus under my themes. Then tap on the photo that you wish to use as your keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit Done. Manage key borders and select Apply. As you can see, after that, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!